Today I will be doing a comprehensive review of the Hollyland Lark M1 microphone. This microphone cost in the region of $150, but in Nigeria I got it for 140,000 naira. I'll be testing the sound quality, I'll be testing the noise cancellation feature and testing it without the noise cancellation feature. I'll be going outdoor to test it also, so that you can make a good decision whether you want to buy this or not. Let's unbox. You can come with me to see a closer look at this. So straight out of the box, I'm actually impressed with this. It looks pretty heavy and solid. So I'm going to be unzipping this. The charger, 2 receivers and the transmitter. This is the wind filter, the fluffy. It is used when you have wind outside. So we have 2 of those here. This is to connect the receiver to an Android phone. This is a USB Type-C. Then this is the pack itself. So it automatically comes on. I didn't have to charge it when I got it. So we have the receiver. The moment I take it out of the box, it is on and ready to go. You can see it indicating by 2 blue lights. So when the blue light is still blinking, it is not ready to record. Wait for the blue light to stay static. That is when it is ready to record. It's searching for the microphone so it can connect to it. That's why it's still blinking the blue light. The light on this is also static, though the other one is still blinking. So now I can connect this to my camera or whatever I want to connect it to. This is the point where it connects to the charger inside the box. And you can also charge it with a USB Type-C. So you have 2 options. It feels pretty solid, like being held in the hand. So I'm going to connect this and I will test it to see what quality it gives. So it comes with a Type-C. So you can connect this to your laptop and charge the box, this to your laptop or charger head, and then this can be connected to any of the transmitter and the receiver. So what else is in the box? This is a TRS male to TRS male. If your phone has an earpiece jack, you connect this part to your phone. The TRS does not work for cameras. So don't attempt to use this for your camera, it most likely won't work. This is a TRS to TRS male. This is the one that would work for your camera. So you can connect this to receiver and then you connect this part to your camera. The camera can receive sound signal from the microphone, that is from the transmitter. Then your camera, if you're using a Canon, you want to set it to 1. Like when you set your camera volume, switch it to manual from automatic. Then set it to the first mark. So this connects to the transmitter. So I can connect this part to my iPhone. So if you are using an Android, this is the one you're going to use. So they got everybody covered, and that's one thing I love about this Hollyland Mark I microphone. Now we'll be doing a sound test of how the Hollyland Lark M1 microphone performs. Right now it is set to medium. You can set it to 3 levels: high, medium and low in terms of volume. So I'm setting it to medium right now. It's on medium right now. Then the noise cancellation is not activated. So I would like to know what this sounds like. Let me know in the comments. Do you think this is good? I'm not going to do any post-production on this audio. Let me know if it sounds good. So now I'm going to turn on the fan. This is a sound-treated home office. So I would go outside to test it to see how it performs. Let me on the fan first and we see how it performs with the fan on. Okay, so right now the fan is on. I don't know whether it is picking the noise of the fan or it is not picking the noise of the fan. So now I'm going to turn on the noise cancellation to see how it handles this fan noise. So now the noise cancellation has been activated. This mic, I don't know whether it sounds great or not. Probably it will sound as good as my Shure MV7. I've seen video reviews comparing this microphone to Rode Wireless Go 2 and other more expensive microphones, and it seems I can hardly tell the difference between this microphone. So let's see. Very great microphone in terms of sound quality. Starts for me in the region of 100,000 naira. I mean for wireless microphone. Still testing this Hollyland Lark M1 microphone. Now we are in the car and the glasses are wind down. I'll be testing it with my beautiful wife here. My beautiful wife is saying hello. She knows she is beautiful. Okay, so what are we doing next there?
Oh, okay, so we're checking how the mic functions with noise. So we'll rev up the engine and see how the quality of the audio would be.
Yes, so we'll check the quality of the audio first without the noise cancellation feature, which is what sold me on this microphone. So I would start the engine. After revving up the engine, we would activate the noise cancellation feature and see how the microphone performs. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, good. So the car's AC fan is at full speed. This is another thing that can make a lot of noise when recording audio in the car. So right now, I and my beautiful wife will activate the noise cancellation. So let's do that.
Okay. It's still blue. I've been pressing my... Okay, finally on green.
Yeah, it's on green yet too. The noise cancellation is activated. What's up, babe? So what is the audio quality like? With the AC fan noise, it is very loud. I'm hearing it really loud. The car's engine is the audio quality okay? So this can actually help you make your decision. I'm not sure how active the noise cancellation feature is. So please let us know in the comment section. I'll pass back the camera to my beautiful wife and drive. So, you know, when the car is being driven, it makes more noise, especially when I hit the accelerator. Okay, so I'm not going to wind up my glasses because I want as much noise as possible. So what is the sound like? You know, I'm talking to you as I drive right now. So now I'll be winding up my glasses so we can have different feel of the microphone. Babe.
Yes?
Tell us something now.
It's a sunny, beautiful day in Lagos and rain threatens to fall, but alas, the sun is back up. And now we are going round and round and round.
The wheels on the bus goes round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus goes round and round, up to the town. First thing we'll be testing the microphone for is we will get down from the car. We are going to be testing how the microphone works against the wind. The noise, what's it called, babe?
Cancellation, the noise cancellation.
Yeah, the noise cancellation. Yeah, the noise cancellation is activated. Okay, so now we are outside the car. I'll be moving this way. She'll be moving the other way. Okay, she will be coming behind me, but she'll give me quite
steps,
a distance.
Yeah.
So you can just talk to yourself, talk about the cat. When I raise my hand, you let me talk because I won't hear what you're saying. Okay, let's see how it works.
Oh, okay, so we are checking the distance from the mic, how far the mic can pick my voice, even though I'm about 2-3 meters away from the receiver, right? And we hope it is picking, and if it is,
so let me go farther away from you and see how it performs.
okay. So I don't know if the mic is still picking.
So you can see how far she is away from me. So babe,
Yes?
say something. Say something.
What did you say?
Don't speak loud. Don't speak loud. Just speak normally.
Okay, so I am about...
So I'm trying to
I
ensure
don't
she's
know,
not speaking loud and
many
compensating for
meters
the mic.
away.
So I'll be going to meet her.
Many miles away.
So this place is a
I
bit
hope the
windy,
receiver
but
is
not
picking my
crazily
voice,
windy.
right?
So
And
yeah. So I'm closing the gap.
Ali, 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 Ali. Ali, Ali, Ali,
So you can see how far away from
my
her.
spirit to my soul.
Oh, the camera is a bit shaky. So you can see how far away from her I went.
So we have the furry
Windshield.
furry windshield over the mic right now. We're trying to test how far it would hold.
Yeah. So the wind filter, does it affect the audio quality? Remember, we still have noise cancellation on. So let's turn off noise cancellation and see how it sounds.
Okay, so we'll be turning off noise cancellation. Green, 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 green.
Wow, it's taking forever to turn off noise cancellation, and I don't know why. Let me see, can that be done from the receiver?
Okay, yours is back to blue.
Yours is
Mine
also
is
back to blue. So that means it doesn't turn it off immediately. So that's something you should observe about the... Wow, I love the sky. It looks beautiful. Okay, so please let us know in the comment section how it sounds with the wind filter.